Hello, everybody. This is Gaming Artcraft. Let me see if I can put a pause on craft. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the the work that I'm presenting to you. Any tutorials that you like or anything that interested you into my channel. Put likes and comments down below, and please subscribe to the channel. Okay, so here we go. It's been a long time since I recorded. Um, I did make a lot of things during the last time since I recorded. I've been having issues with my screen recorder, so that's why I didn't have the opportunity to record before. And it just, I had to work on fixing my computer to make sure I get things to work on while I'm recording. So going back to that, I have a lot of things I could offer you to the Coppercube community. But right now, I'm going to focus on one thing. I've been making environments. That's one thing that I've been trying to work on is making environments in Coppercube, and sometimes it's the hardest thing to do. Um, so this right now is just showing you my environment um, of the scary game that I'm working on, or horror game that I'm working on Coppercube. So I'm just gonna give you a preview so you can see um, how everything looks. So here's a door, and if you want to know where the models came from, all the models came from Mashy AI. All this is Mashy AI. The door, the walls, the ceiling, all that's Mashy AI. So here you'll see I created a front entrance. The collision is good. The rotation on the mouse is good. The jump up, my apologies. The jump I brought it down to 2 in the speed of the jump, and then you'll see I'm using an FPS camera. The walls are sorry. The ground the ground is room mash. So what I did was I took a room mash and I just created only the ground, no ceiling, no wall, just the ground. And I put texture on the room mash of the ground, and I use that just for guidance because I'm placing the actual 3D models into the room mesh, which is only a floor, because it's better to walk smooth on the room mesh floor than 3D model floors. So then I just applied the models of the wall, put it together. Just so you know, these polygons of these walls, the windows, and everything, they're under 30,000 30,000 count for polygon. So it's really low polygon mash, which works well in Coppercube. It's not too big where the game will crash, because the lower the poly, the better the gameplay and everything. So this is going to be the living room. So all this is going to be the living room. I'm gonna put a couch. I'm gonna put a fireplace. I'm gonna put pictures and rugs and all that and clocks. And then you go to the next room. This is gonna be a dining room, where it's gonna be a dining room table, windows and all that. Um, I could change up some of these textures so they don't look repeated. That's not a problem. I could just change up the textures so they won't look repeated. But technically, this is a horror game. And then this is going to be the kitchen. Got a window here, and then all the stoves and the sinks are going to go here and all that. Again, like I said, I could fix up the textures so everything won't look repeated. Because right now, everything is just a floor layout, just where everything is going to go. So you go through this. This is the hallway. And here is going to be the stairs. That's where I'm going to put the stairs, where I'm going to walk up some stairs, and then it's going to be the next level, level 2, once I walk up the stairs. And here in this area, there's going to be a small room, but there's going to be like a door, and it's going to be a door, and the door is going to send me to the basement, and the basement is level 3. So you got the first floor, which is level 1. Second floor is level 2, which I'm going to create, and level 3 is going to be the basement. And yeah, it's 3 levels, but it's going to be like stages of every level and all that stuff. But I just wanted to show you how the environment look in Coppercube with the 3D models and using room mesh. So like I said, this is all room mesh, and not the polygons. I'm talking about the floor. And I just want to give you an update what this is looking like. So thank you for reviewing it, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. And if you want to see more on Coppercube 6.7.4, please reach out and join the Discord, join the Facebook group, and you'll see more of me later. Thank you.